Hi guys, this is John here. In this section, we will look at the aspect of naming your product or your service and writing down a description for that. Now that you've named your company, you've decided the vision of the company, you've also decided who your partners are going to be, or if you're going to do this alone. Now, let us say you are starting a product company, or you could also have a service, but right now, let us say you're doing a product company. It is important for you to decide what that product is going to be. And also decide a name for it. Similarly, if you've decided to start a services company, then you have to decide what that service is going to be and a name for it. So let us look at an example with Drona Aviation, where they have named their products as Pluto X and Pluto 1.2. These are two different drones. And first, they are clear that they are going to make drones to be sold. So here you can see that they have two products. First is Pluto 1.2, the other is Pluto X. As you can see here in the case of Pluto X, they've named the product as Pluto X, but they also give a software with that, and they've given a name for the software as well. They've named it Cygnus. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, once you have a product, you need to know what the product is going to do and what's the name. Similarly, if you have a service, you need to know what the service is going to do and maybe a name of the service. For example, in the case of Weekend Education, or even in the case of Eduvance, the service is a training program, and the company has given a name to the training program. Let's go ahead and see an example. So this is Eduvance's website, and here you can see that they have some programs here which they've named it as skill development programs, and they've named each of these training programs and they've given them different names. So these are the services offered by Eduvance, and each service is given a name. So essentially, even if it's a service, you should decide a name for that service. So what I'm trying to say here is, in this section, you will have to decide the name of your product or the name of your service and go ahead and enter that information in the Entrepreneurship platform. So I hope this was clear. It was fairly straightforward. And you can look at other examples as well. You can look at Apple, you could look at Samsung. They've all named their products. They've described their products. So you should go ahead and describe your product as well. So I hope this section was clear. I'll see you guys in the next section. Thank you.